Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the controller and PC. Plug the USB cable into the controller, then into a free USB port on your PC. Once connected, Windows often enumerates the device automatically. This is why keeping drivers updated matters. It speeds recognition and enables full functionality. Make sure power and cable are secure, and if the controller has a wired mode toggle, set it. If Windows prompts for driver installation, allow it so that the system can map inputs correctly. Once the device is detected, you install or confirm drivers. Check Device Manager for errors and update drivers if needed. Next, open your game platform, Steam or the controller vendor app, to enable controller support and customize mapping. Calibrate sticks and triggers so analog ranges report accurately. This prevents drift and imprecise input. Make adjustments for dead zones and button assignments, and then test in a simple game or controller tester utility. These steps ensure the controller reports the right axes and buttons to games. You finish by thoroughly testing the controller in-game and with diagnostic tools, confirming every button and axis responds correctly. If something fails, first swap the USB cable and port. Many issues stem from faulty cables or passive hubs. Reinstall drivers or apply manufacturer firmware updates to fix compatibility bugs. If intermittent, check power delivery, use a powered USB hub or direct motherboard port. Finally, make a small mapping adjustment if one control feels off so your gameplay is consistent and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.